We gotta stop.
Why?
I can't do this anymore.
Well,
It's just the two of us out here. And I'm so scared.
I'm scared too, man. We gotta go.
I can't. It's so cold.
It's right there.
I want my mommy.
Wait, did you hear that? Did you hear that?
It's a rooster.
In the woods. Pow! No! Come on! Let's go! Which way? We're going. Ah! What was that?
I don't know.
What attacked us?
I think that was one of those Riveras.
Riveras.
Those Casey Riveras.
Casey Riveras.
I got you. Here.
It's cold. Drink some snow.
Pal, I got you. It's alright, pal.
What was that?
I don't know.
Something
What's
got
one
me.
of those Riveras?
Yeah.